Hello, creators, welcome to our channel. Before we start our video, let's check Filmora Multiverse chalange. Here Filmora new campaign Multiverse challenge. Join it and win big prize. Here you need to use AUTOREFRAME templates and create your video shared with the campaign hashtag #Filmora Multiverse to social platform, Facebook, Twitter, and tag Filmora. Entries posted on social must be original and must not infringe the intellectual property rights of others. Okay, now jump to our Filmora software and create something new. Import our video footage in Media Box and drag it in our timeline. Here I like to import color LUTs for more cinematic look in my video. Okay, now it's look like more cinematic. Now click on Titles option and select 3D title option. Here we seen lots of Filmora pre-made 3D titles. Select first 3D title and drag into our timeline. Double click on title layer and change text, size and animation as you like. You can add more effect in your video as you like, and export your cinematic title video.